We are at CWIEME Berlin on the APC Media platform. Come and join us at the CWIEME exhibition.
We're here at CWIEME 2026, and we're going to have another lovely conversation with Najd Nassereddin, the Commercial Director for PTR. And as always, PTR has the latest information on trends and what's happening in our industry. So Najd, please tell us, if you had to start with one topic, what is the hottest topic that is a challenge for the industry right now?
One of the most discussed topics in this event as well was the talent topic. So we all know that most of the talent is retiring within the next 3 years. I heard that for every 10 talents that are going, there's only one coming in place. So that's one of the hottest topics that
Labor shortages.
Labor shortages, yeah.
Very much focused in our industry with skilled labor, but does it change by geography? Is it a different situation depending on the place?
Definitely. Actually, it's funny, today I was speaking with different CEOs from transformer companies, and one of them was starting a new capacity in the US, a new transformer capacity, and he was mentioning that it is not super hard for him to find talent there, because even with the current situations, people are still seeking to go to US for, let's say, for jobs in this industry, or even Europe. But on the other hand, for countries that are losing talent, or let's say are not as attractive as Europe and so on, they are facing this issue more. Like the other person was from Turkey, and he was saying that it is very hard for him to source talent for this topic. And it's also the idea that when companies are creating new manufacturing capacities, they're taking into consideration, let's say, regulatory landscape, let's say, just ease of market access, how much we can produce, blah, blah. But nobody takes into account the talent. Like, will people want to work from this area, drive to this area, and so on?
And have the right capability that you need
Exactly.
for specific jobs.
Yes.
It's a hard balance. So what about the supply of materials and components in general? Is that still, will we still have issues there?
Yeah, this one is a very, very big issue. I don't know if probably higher than talent, I don't know. It is, and especially that we know that utilities are specifying what type of components to be in the equipment that are being sold. And that makes it harder for other transformer manufacturers or just general OEMs to enter the market as well with different types of components sourced. And that definitely also causes a delay in the whole industry, in the whole supply chain process. Yeah.
Great. Well, it's always great to hear from you because you guys have so much knowledge. You're a great source of information for the industry. So thank you so much for having this conversation.
Thank you for having me, and great to be at CWIEME again.
Yes, everyone has to come to CWIEME and learn all these insights every year from you guys.
Thank you so much. Have a great day.
You too.